Oh, hello again. I am Iron Man, and I'm here to save the day. That's weird. It's quiet, but I'm gonna make it loud. Whoosh! Oh, hello again, birds. Remember me? Remember me? Yeah, I was in the first video. Oh my. Yeah, you must remember me. I am Iron Man. That's right, Iron Man! Whoa. One of them fell to the ground. Like they almost had a stroke or something. How pathetic. Okay, birds, time to be eaten by dignity. Wah. Okay, now, I hope I know how to do this correctly. Oh, weird. Okay. I think I did it right. Oh, so scared. Oh. Oh. Okay. Hello, birdies. It's me, your uncle, Iron Man. What, 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 what? Oh. Okay, I'm getting bored. Okay. It's not really that fun when it's just you alone. So, away I go, up and away, to find something new, I guess. Man, I need to do something realistic. Whoosh!